Part 2, paper bag versus cockatiels. Gray has assessed the situation, and now Oscar, being the first in combat, is going to have to go down and check out the paper bag, but he is retreating. Don't be afraid. You're a bird. You can fly. Not sure what to do. He's nervous. Gray's like, no, you do it. I'm going to sit here and clean. Oscar's like, why me? Why is it always me? I'm the little guy. Oscar is a little clumsy for a bird. You can do it, Oscar. Just reach your leg over. He gets stuck a lot. He falls a lot. It's kind of cute. And he's approaching the bag. What? And here comes Gray, the backup. What will they do? Dun dun dun. Check it first. Look inside. Anything good in there? Is it safe to go inside? Uh-oh, he's in. He's in the bag. What are you going to do? Help him out. Go in with him. Don't be afraid. You left him in there all by himself. You can do it. Go in there. Go in there, Oscar. You gonna leave him all by himself in that bag? What if something happens? You can do it. What are you afraid of? Oops, sorry. Bad filming right now. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? He's in there. He is way in there. You can do it too. Good job. Made a new home for you boys. Oh, what happened? What happened? What was that? You were in the bag. What happened? You didn't have a lookout? What happened? What happened when you were in the bag? Don't be afraid. Go back in. Come on, go in there. He's in there. Come on, Oscar. Leaving your friend alone. Don't leave him by himself. You can do it. You can do it. I'm literally laying on the floor right now to get this footage. Watch. What happened? What happened? What happened when you were in there? Yeah, what was it? What was it? Look at him deep in the bag. He's all the way in the back of the bag.
Gray just likes getting in brown bags. Oscar's real apprehensive. And then I like to pick the bag up with my toe. What's happening in there? Bag down, get back in. You can do it, get back in. Come on, you know how. It's like, how do I get this thing up? I want to get back into this bag. You can do it, Gray. Don't step on it, silly. There you go. There you go. Just slide in. Got some more leverage. You're going to let me do this without biting my foot. Oh, nope. You're going to bite my foot. It's going to help you, but you're going to bite my foot. I know it. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Okay, there. Go in. There you go. Just hours of entertainment with these birds. Sometimes I like to pick the bag up when they're in it. It freaks them out a little bit. It's kind of funny. Let's see if I can do it. What? Oh, wait. He's like, hey, what's happening? What happened? Boys, what happened? Did this bag not satisfy your needs? Because I picked it up? There. We'll make it like that. I made it a better bag. Look. Look what I did. I made it more open. You like that better now? It's a much better bag. Gray's like, I know what you did. You did that. You picked it up. You're not fooling me. You can fool Oscar, but you can't fool me. Right, Gray? Gray's the smart one. What? What? What, little boys? I know. And you know where your millet is. I won't mess with it this time, I promise. He's like, good, I'm going back in. Are you going to go in too? You can go in too. It's okay. This time, I'm not going to pick it. I promise I won't pick up the bag. I promise, Oscar. I promise. It would be a good nest, that's for sure, as long as I didn't pick it up and it doesn't get water on it. Come on, you can do it, Oscar. You can do it. Be the confident cockatiel that you know you are. You are. You're a confident cockatiel. A little roughed up in the feathers, but that's okay. He's way back in the back of that. Look at him all the way back there. There you go. Now you can cohabitate together in your brown bag. Hours of fun. Hi. Hi. You want to come up too? Hi. Hi, come here. Oh, sweetie, you just fell off me. They're trying to stand on my hand and they Want to come up? I don't know what you boys want. What do you two want? What do you two little cuties want? No more brown bag? I can eat my dinner? You're super cute. Yes, you are. You're so smart and so cute. Little birds as pets. Who would have thought? Oh, you're going to the millet. No, don't pass. The millet was right there. You just passed it. Silly. I left the millet over there in your little mini house. All right.